Bonjour tout le monde. Aujourd'hui, c'est mardi le 28 novembre. Désolé, I do apologize for lundi. I was having some technical difficulties, so I'll go ahead and walk you through lundi le 27 novembre et mardi le 28 novembre. Et aussi, since it's a new week, let's go ahead and look at the whole week. Donc, cette semaine, il y a deux mots de passe. We're doubling up. Il y a aussi deux discussions. You have some new TPR this week, actual new gestures. I feel like it's been the same for a long time, so it's about time that we have some new ones. Il y a une chanson de la semaine. It's the same song that we've had previously because you are practicing for an assessment on all of our numbers from 1 all the way up to 70. You'll have your flip video, as well as a personne spéciale, write and discuss. Like I mentioned earlier, you will also have an assessment on the numbers and a quiz on our new personne spéciale, and then you'll have your quick write and weekly check-in. So some of the stuff is just our basic weekly material. Pour lundi le 27 novembre, les mots de passe, il y a deux nouveaux mots de passe, so those need to go into your cahier. Le weekend talk, we'll look at our Jamboard here momentarily. Et la chanson de la semaine, you have access to that on this slide. And actually, I think I probably need to give you a new link here because I think this might be another link that just does not work correctly. So let me make sure that I fix that for you. But, oh, maybe it is, hey, maybe it is going to work. Okay. But you also have this Quizlet, which you can also access by going to Schoology and clicking on Quizlet Vocab Review. Here, you can access it that way as well. So it's just the Quizlet to review numbers jusqu'à 70, 1 through 70. Okay, so those are the couple of things I had on the roster, on the agenda for yesterday, hier, lundi le 27 novembre. Jamboard. La question cette semaine. Qu'est-ce que tu as fait pendant le long week-end? Qu'est-ce que tu as fait pendant, during le long week-end? Est-ce que tu as regardé un match de sport? Est-ce que tu es allé au cinéma? Est-ce que tu as cuisiné pour Thanksgiving? That's particularly apropos. Est-ce que tu as beaucoup dormi? Est-ce que tu as acheté des vêtements, etc.? Ou autre. Did you do something that's not listed here that you would like to learn how to say? And I can help you with that. So put your name next to the bubble that is appropriate to answer the question for you. Qu'est-ce que tu as fait pendant le long week-end? Okay. Maintenant, mardi, le 28 novembre. Les mots de passe. Oh, you know, I didn't go through these earlier. Désolé. Okay, so we have two mots de passe. Il y a je peux et à tes souhaits. À tes souhaits. So, à tes souhaits, because of the nature of this class being online, not seeing your classmates, you're not going to have much of many opportunities. That's what I'm trying to say. You won't have many opportunities to use a term like à tes souhaits. So, je peux is also one of our mots de passe, but some of you are going to switch between online and in person, so this could come in handy later on. À tes souhaits. À tes souhaits. Okay. Donc, pour mardi le 28 novembre, just make sure that you are, once again, practicing with je peux et à tes souhaits, les deux mots de passe. On va regarder le calendrier. Donc, aujourd'hui, c'est quel jour? Aujourd'hui, c'est mardi. Et aujourd'hui, c'est mardi. Donc, demain, c'est quel jour? Aujourd'hui, c'est mardi. Donc, demain, c'est mercredi. Lundi, mardi, mercredi. Aujourd'hui, c'est mardi. Donc, hier. Hier, c'était... I just said it. Lundi, lundi, mardi, mercredi. Demain, c'est mercredi. Donc, après-demain, c'est jeudi. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi. Oui, après-demain, c'est jeudi. Ok, très bien. Et hier, c'était lundi. Donc, avant-hier, c'était samedi, dimanche. Dimanche. Ok. Aujourd'hui, quelle est la date? Quelle est la date aujourd'hui? Aujourd'hui, c'est le 28 novembre. C'est le 28 novembre. Donc, demain, c'est le 29 novembre. Demain, c'est le 29 novembre. Et aujourd'hui, c'est le 28 novembre. Donc, hier, c'était le 27 novembre. Le 27 novembre. Ok, donc voilà le calendrier. Aujourd'hui, c'est mardi. Demain, c'est mercredi. Après-demain, c'est jeudi. Hier, c'était lundi. Avant-hier, c'était dimanche. Remember, we need to know these days of the week and how to express la date en français. So that's what le calendrier is to help us do. Okay, la chanson de la semaine, like I mentioned before, it's the same as we've had previously. La chanson de la semaine is the numbers from 50 up to 70. Very appropriate for your quiz this week. And then continue practicing with les nombres. Here's a link to your Quizlet. And then here's a link to a practice quiz, which I need to change the slide number because this is no longer slide 9, c'est slide 10. So you can watch this video, jot down the numbers, and I will give you the numbers. I'll give you the answers to it in the key, which is going to be on the outside of today's folder. So you'll see what that means in a minute here. Last thing, aujourd'hui, les gestes, the TPR. So like I said, some of these are new. So as you watch this video, just be aware that some of them are going to be new ones. La classe rit, la classe ouvre, ferme, veut, ne veut pas, cherche, trouve are all new. Most of the rest of these, all of the rest of these we've seen before. So nothing new there. Okay, so let me just go back to when you do your numbers practice quiz, I will put the answers to that quiz on the outside of today's folder. So the folder for mardi. When you do the drop down like this, I'll make sure that it's visible here. And you can always just ask me too if you can't find the key. Okay. Donc voilà, once you get through those items aujourd'hui, you will be all set. I will also be on the office hours, Michon French Online, from noon to 12:30, so feel free to drop in there if you have any additional questions. Merci, au revoir.